South Africa has a pandemic of GBVF, right? Because the same people who are committing all these hideous crimes at your communities, they are our employees at the mines. Now, how do we handle that? How do we make sure that we consider all these cases of discrimination, sexual harassment, and there's minimum standards that we can
This
adopt?
mindset is comfortable, but it's also misleading because documents don't make decisions in the field. Checklists don't challenge shortcuts. Procedures don't speak up when people feel wrong, but people do, right? And that is the shift we need to make when it comes to safety. Safety is not something we manage through systems. It is something we create through our everyday behavior.
What came out very interesting was that people said, number one, is that I need to know exactly what is expected from me. There shouldn't be any ambiguity or vagueness about my role at work. So, and it comes out here as well. So that is the risk. And how do we do that? By appointing people, by making sure we have job descriptions, by making sure that we have standard operating procedures describing what people are supposed to do, so that if the paw hits the fan, that we can't do any finger pointing because it is on paper.